Robert lived with his wife, Emma, and their son, John. Emma was a housewife, and John was a hardworking student. One morning, John complained,
"Mom, the toast is burned, and the egg is not boiled properly."
Emma sighed.
"I do everything alone. It's not easy."
Robert smiled.
"I think we should hire a maid."
But Emma shook her head.
"No. I don't like maids. They never work the way I want."
Just then, John had an idea.
"Dad, let's get a robot. It can do my homework. My hands get tired every day."
Emma added,
"And it can also do housework. I'll just order. And it will obey like this."
She snapped her fingers. Robert and John laughed. One evening, Robert's friend Johnson came. He was a scientist. Emma served tea and snacks. John asked excitedly,
"Uncle, can you make a robot for my homework?"
Emma added,
"Yes. For house chores too."
Johnson smiled.
All right.
John and Emma were very happy. Robert smiled quietly. The very next day, John told his classmates,
"I don't need to do homework. My uncle is making a robot. It will do my homework."
His classmates' faces fell. A month later, Johnson returned with a robot.
Her name is Mimi. She can do anything. Just tell her.
He said. After having tea, he left. Emma ordered,
"Mimi, go and clean the washroom."
Mimi asked,
"How much cleaner should I use? And how should I scrub the floor?"
Emma got irritated.
"No more questions. Just go and clean."
Mimi quietly went. After some time, Emma went to check. She was shocked. The entire floor was covered with cleaner. She shouted,
"What did you do?"
Robert and John looked at each other and ran to the washroom. Their eyes widened. Mimi replied calmly,
"Ma'am, you didn't guide me properly."
Then she whistled and walked away. Emma sighed and started cleaning the mess. After that, John gave his math notebook to Mimi.
"Do this,"
he said, then got busy on his mobile. Emma said,
"John, keep an eye on her work."
John shrugged.
"It's just math."
After some time, Mimi came with a smile.
"John, please check. I finished it."
John took the notebook, looked at the page, and shouted,
"Oh no! This is all messy."
The answers were correct, but the page looked terrible. The numbers were scattered everywhere. No neat columns. No proper spacing. Mimi said firmly,
"I did it right,"
and walked away. John looked helplessly at Emma. And Robert. Emma sighed. And Robert just shrugged. John had to redo the homework late at night. The next day, John submitted his notebook. After a while, Sir Thompson called him angrily.
You did this yourself?
John nodded.
Yes, sir.
Sir frowned.
Don't lie. Your classmates told me. A robot did your homework.
John tried to explain, but Sir didn't listen. His eyes filled with tears. His classmates were smiling quietly. As soon as John returned from school, he shouted,
Dad! Please put this robot in the storeroom.
Emma nodded quietly. Robert hid a smile and locked the robot in the storeroom.